Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Artrade token. Ticker symbol is ATR. Now Artrade is the first NFT marketplace for art real world assets, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 28th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Artrade token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Artrade token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 28th at 11 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol ATR, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token is on the Solana blockchain. You can find them on SolScan. Now, there's no holders yet. It just says one holder, so this is not available anywhere yet, not even on Raydium. 9 decimal places on this token. And it says market cap 7.4 million. Current supply of this token is 1,799,421,099 tokens. And yeah, then they have a web page which you could find at artrade.app. They have a Twitter, which you could find at Artrade app, and I'm going to put that right up here. They have a Telegram at Artrade English, and if you go to their webpage, they have a white paper that'll take you over to whitepaper.artrade.app. So, in the realm of art exchange, trust and transparency have always been fundamental, yet elusive elements. Artrade emerges as a groundbreaking online platform aimed at revolutionizing the traditional paradigms of art transactions. By harnessing the transformative capabilities of blockchain technology, Artrade redefines the very essence of security, transparency, and liquidity within the art market. The core foundation of Artrade lies in its blockchain, a decentralized and immutable ledger to fortify every art transaction. This innovative approach ensures that eradication of intermediaries, thereby streamlining the exchange process and eliminating the vulnerabilities associated with third-party involvement. Through this technical infrastructure, Artrade introduces an unprecedented level of security, empowering users with confidence in the authenticity and traceability of every art piece exchanged on the platform. Moreover, Artrade adoption of blockchain technology goes beyond mere security. It fundamentally alters the market by infusing unprecedented transparency into art transactions. The inherent nature of blockchain ensures an auditable record of each transaction, offering stakeholders an unobstructed view of the art market's inner workings. This transparency not only instills trust among buyers and sellers, but also catalyzes the emergence of a more equitable and accessible art ecosystem. Additionally, Artrade's innovative integration of NFT technology addresses the liquidity challenges that have historically plagued the art market by facilitating direct and secure transactions between art enthusiasts, collectors, and creators, Artrade establishes a dynamic and fluid marketplace where artworks can be exchanged seamlessly, enhancing overall market liquidity. Artrade's commitment to leveraging blockchain to augment security, transparency, and liquidity within the art market sets a new standard for art exchange platforms. Through the blending of technology and art, Artrade propels the industry towards a future where trust and decentralization converge to redefine the very essence of art transactions. Artrade's business model revolves around the provision of NFC chips. Initially, these chips will be provided for free. However, the creation of artworks on the platform will gradually transition into a paid service. The shift will result in a revenue generation of each artwork created, particularly those opting for the NFC chip feature. Additionally, Artrade will introduce paid subscriptions tailored for the art market experts, such as gallery owners. These subscriptions will grant them full access to the platform's comprehensive range of functionalities, and this model ensures accessibility to advanced tools and features, catering specifically to the needs of the art market professionals. So their product roadmap on here is available on their white paper. They also have tokenomics. Now they also have a DAO, so you can get involved with voting on proposals and which direction you think that the project should go. And they also have, it says they're eco-friendly and scalable. They have team information on their white paper as well. Now, prior to this new token listing here, there is going to be a Kickstarter event that you'll be able to get involved with as well on Mexc Global. If you go over to Mexc Global's Twitter, they have a Kickstarter event that you could check out. They also have here, so it looks like they started out with a total supply of 1.8 billion tokens, but it looks like it is a deflationary token because the supply is a lot lower right now than it was to initially begin with. And yeah, we pretty much went over the tokenomics and everything already. So this, yeah, check this token out. Most likely will be listed on Raydium and Jupiter and those decentralized Solana exchanges around the same time that this token gets listed tomorrow on Mexc Global. So yeah, tomorrow, February 28th, 11 o'clock UTC time, this token will be on Mexc. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Artrade? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.